Because the Vice President already manifested that
Kindly, sir, present the rule so we can rule accordingly. What is the rule on which your point of order? What is the point of order first and the rule on which this is
what's the
based?
point of order also of Congressman Raul? If you will question
Yes.
me or my point of order, you have to also to question the point of order of Congressman Raul.
Madam Chair.
So, excuse me, Madam Vice
Yes,
President,
ma'am.
there's a point of order that was raised, so we have to first rule on that. So there's a procedure that we have to follow.
Yes.
Madam,
May I just say that this is not part of the presentation? This is an explanation of my answer.
no, but there is a
Diba?
point of order which we will have to first decide upon.
I would like the
with your-
Secretariat to repeat the first 3 lines of the comments.
Point of order, Madam Chair. Point of order, Madam Chair, kasi parang...
So let's please proceed with the answer.
Point of order,
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, kasi parang siya yung nagpe-preside eh.
Yes, that's why
Kasi inutusan
Madam
mo
Vice
yung
President.
secretariat natin sa Committee on Appropriation.
Yes.
Alam mo,
Some
ano,
order,
diba?
please.
So,
Yes.
okay, thank you,
Madam
Madam
Vice
Chair.
President, please proceed with the response. There's a question. Please proceed with the response.
Madam Chair, I do not understand bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat.
Point of
Okay,
order,
House of
Madam Chair. Ito yung sinasabi
Representatives.
natin na dinadivert ang usapan sa ating budget hearing. Kung nagawa po niya yan sa Senado, Madam Chair, dapat hindi natin yan pahintulutan dito sa Kamara.
You allowed her a snide comment and then you will not allow
Please, please wait
a
to be
snide
recognized.
comment?
Pasensya na po, hindi po kasama sa poder ninyo ang pagpa-fire ng presiding officer ng hearing na to. So yes, you
So
proceed
if
po.
you allow members of the House of Representatives lines like what you just said, like pusit, bakit mo ako kinukrucify for saying a fact that somebody is convicted of child abuse sitting in the chair? Pusit, and then I cannot fire the presiding chair. So bakit?
Yes, we
Bakit napaka one-sided nito, ma'am?
noted po.
Dahil ba madami kayo dyan sa kabila at nag-iisa ako dito?